Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one is a little bit different because I actually do not know what is going on. Kat came to me and said the other day, would you be up for like a secret topic video? And I was like, sure, let's do it.
Yeah, so I should really be doing this introduction.
So over to you.
I just thought we haven't done like a fun video in a long time, so I came up with this idea because you know Dave's like proper trying to learn Finnish now. I know he's been telling you guys for years that he's been like really trying to learn Finnish, but he's like really trying to learn Finnish now. I thought today we could put your two greatest assets combined. So, you know, your Finnish skills, which are like, wow.
Okay, if that's one of my greatest assets, I'm a very, very sad person.
I wanted to combine two things. Your Finnish learning / knowledge of the Finnish language and taste testing.
Okay.
It's going to be a little bit different because you're going to be wearing a blindfold. Once the blindfold is on, you are not allowed to speak English.
No! God, please, no!
You're gonna taste something, you're gonna have to say in Finnish what it is.
Okay.
And like bonus points if you can say something about it. Like maybe what it looks like, what it is, where it's from, something. Like anything like extra.
Okay.
You put that on. Now it's Finnish only.
Okay. Vain suomea. Only I'm speaking Finnish. You don't have to speak Finnish.
You won't understand my instructions otherwise. Okay, where
right.
do we start? Okay, some are easy, some are harder. Okay.
Okay.
This is the first thing. So, no, I'll give it to you. Open your mouth.
Oh, okay.
Okay, bite down. No, mitä se on?
Tämä on vesimeloni.
Ooh, very good. Minkä värinen vesimeloni?
Vesimeloni on vihreä ja punainen.
Oh, maybe I should show.
Seuraava.
Okay, don't get cocky.
Leo rakastaa siitä. Tämä on naksun. Naksu.
Okay, open your mouth. Here comes the airplane. Wait, keep it open.
Whoa. Tuo on herneä.
Tai mitä toi oli?
Tämä on juusto.
Voitko sanoa jotain juustosta?
Emmental.
Wait. Don't start opening your mouth. Okay. Open. No, not with your ears. Open your mouth. Okay, bite down. Wait.
Tämä on laku.
Minkälainen?
Hedelmiä.
Aha. Ei.
Onko se vain yksi? Maku.
No, we don't have all day. Suklaata. Se on sukulaku.
Aha. Ei ole maistaa suku. Suku. Suklaa. Suku, mamma! Lisää suku! What did you say? What that made me say suku?
Sukulaku is the name of it.
Sukulaku, okei. Kuinka monta?
Oliko se ehkä 10 tai 15? Mä en muista.
What? Tämä on ei greippi.
Ei.
Koska greippi on grapefruit. Mutta
Tää on vaikea.
viini...
Tää on kyllä aika vaikea.
Mitä se on?
Viinirypäle.
Rypäle.
Se oli vaikeeta. Just a little.
Aha.
Bit more. Why are you only licking it from the bottom? It's a spoon.
Okay. Tämä on thai makea chili.
Okei, joo, makea. Se oli
Kasvikka.
hyvä. Joo, okei, bra. Good. Sorry, what language? This is a little bit weird. You have to like kind of eat this from my hands. Okay.
Tämä on suklaarusin.
Yeah, almost.
Suklaarusini.
Suklaarusina.
Rusina, okei. Joo.
Voitko sanoa jotain muuta suklaarusinoista?
Sukurussina. Mitä?
Okay.
Suklaarussina on tosi hyvä. On makea, on suklaa.
Oops. Open your mouth.
Oh! Okay.
Did you feel horrible?
Tämä ei ole makea. On
Onko se suolainen?
suolainen ja tämä on hyvä voileipää kanssa.
I love that you're now on the last one. You're starting to like go deep.
Tämä on suolakurkku.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Very good.
That was a bit of a guess. I didn't actually know what that was. Oh wow. There's a storm rolling in if you guys are wondering why the light keeps changing.
Yeah, it's gotten really dark.
Okay, one more?
Yeah. Oi.
Big thunder.
Okay. Are you ready?
I like the way you're laughing.
Are you ready? You don't have to bite so hard. It's like a soft thing. Okay. I couldn't help myself. I just washed this.
Okay.
So that's fine. I will wash it again. Okay. Mikä toi oli?
En mä tiedä, mitä se on suomeksi. Tutti?
No.
Ah.
Good job.
How did I do?
You did pretty well. I feel like your confidence grew towards the end when you started monologuing about about what you were having. You did really well.
Thanks.
Like little,
5 out of 10?
No, more. 6.
Oh. But guys, if you also thought this was fun, let us know in the comments or with the like button, and maybe Kat can come up with some other things to test me with.
Oh yes.
That could be fun.
I've got ideas.
Okay. So yeah.
Well, with all that said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye! So cool. Can't wait for you to edit that.